To access the new Hallam Help online service, simply open up My Hallam and click on the Hallam Help button in the top right hand corner of the page. Then click Search Hallam Help. Here you'll be able to search for any question and instantly get a response. For example, if I needed to know how I can resolve a timetable clash, I can type the question into the search bar and it will bring up a number of articles that best relate to my question. Based on the information provided, you will be able to give the article a score out of 5 stars to indicate how useful it has been in answering your question. If you can't find an answer to your question, you will be able to submit a query to the Hallam Help team by asking a question or creating a case. You will need to be logged into the system to be able to create a case. So if you have not logged into My Hallam already, you'll be taken to a login page. Now to open a case, simply type in your question. As you type your question, you will again be shown articles that may provide an answer. If you want to continue to ask your question, scroll past the articles and choose a case subject and subcase subject. You will also be required to add additional information that will better explain what you need help with. Once your case has been submitted, you'll be able to see the case number and information listed underneath the Open Cases section. From here, you can open the case and view any responses from a member of the Hallam Help team. You will also be able to add further comments to your case if needed. You can keep checking this page for updates, but if you get a response that requires any action from you, you will receive an email notification like this one. Click on the link provided, and this will guide you back to the open case so you can view the response from the Hallam Help team. You will be notified once your case has been closed. Your case will now be shown under the Closed Cases section, and the status will now have changed to Resolved or Answered. If a case has been closed but you feel there is something still outstanding, you can add another comment to your case which will prompt a member of staff to take another look at it.